Jennychem Maxi Mousse Snowstorm. What is it, when should you use it, and what do we think to Jennychem's best-selling pre-wash product? Hi everybody, it's Aidan from Just Car Care, and today we're going through one of the most viral snow foams I've seen in a very long time, which is Jennychem Snowstorm Maxi Mousse. Jennychem Snowstorm isn't your typical snow foam that you would see in a detailer's arsenal. In fact, it's a caustic traffic film remover that helps remove grease, grime and traffic film from the vehicle surface, helping cut down the wash time, especially on commercial vehicles. Snowstorm can be applied to the full vehicle's exterior surface using a snow foam lance or a foam and pressure sprayer, but for ease of use, what we'd recommend doing is just sticking with a snow foam lance for maximum coverage and maximum results. When applying Maxi Mousse Snowstorm to your vehicle, we'd recommend applying a generous layer and never let it dry out in the sun. If you do let the product slightly dry out, you can be left behind with scarmy marks and white marks on the vehicle surface that can be hard to remove, and you will need to polish them off. Once applied, we'd recommend leaving it for between 3 and 5 minutes to let it do its thing. What it's going to do is going to attack the dirt, break it down and remove it off the vehicle's surface, but then make sure that you rinse it thoroughly with a jet wash or high flowing water. As I said before, it's incredibly important to make sure that you remove all the chemical off the vehicle, as you don't want to damage any of the trims or any of your paintwork. When diluting Maxi Mousse, the manufacturer recommends 1 part chemical to 4 parts water, meaning that in a standard 1 litre snow foam lance, you're going to stick with 200 ml of product to 800 ml of water for the perfect dilution ratio for your vehicle. Now, Maxi Mousse is a caustic chemical, and we wouldn't recommend putting it on a vehicle with waxes, sealants or ceramic coatings, because what it can do is break down and deteriorate the protection over time and over a period of uses. Although Snowstorm is a caustic chemical, what we can recommend it for is either prepping vehicles for detailing or for commercial use such as vans, lorries, trucks and farming vehicles. Now, Snowstorm is available in 2 colour options. You've either got the standard, which is just a white normal snow foam, and then you also have Maxi Mousse Purple Mousse, which is a purple coloured snow foam, which again does exactly the same job, just different colours. Now, when it comes to sizes, Snowstorm, like most of the Jennychem range, is available in 1 and 5 litres, but also 20 litres for high volume customers, all available at justcarcare.co.uk. Now, in conclusion, Snowstorm is a fantastic product that breaks down the grime, breaks down the dirt and removes it from the vehicle surface. But again, you do have to be careful. We wouldn't recommend using it on ceramic coated or wax vehicles, but what we would recommend it on is vehicles that you're not too bothered about adding a new layer of protection to, or also commercial vehicles. Now, if you have any questions or want to see any other products on the channel, let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you all on the next video.